and the race on missional business class Mr. Saber and Diamond Duchess Danori inside rushing up his maglev. Wonder Pop in between runner storms Avon's treasure. Scud missile burning glow and on the outside is Paragood's order. Rounding the far turn, missional by some three lines followed by business class. Diamond Duchess, Mr. Saber, Storm Maglev from the outside, Wonder Pop Avon's treasure as they swing for home, missional by some four lines followed by business class. And on the outside is Diamond Duchess, Mr. Saber, Maglev, Storm, Wonder Pop, and nearing the finish line. From start to finish, number 2, the favorite, Missional. And finally, number 2, Missional. Second, Mr. Saber. Close for third, Wonder Pop, Business Class, and Diamond Duchess.